guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in this tutorial today I'm going to show you how I make my whipped cream. I'm going to give you my whipped cream recipe because several people keep asking me this, so here you go. So for this tutorial you're going to be needing 600 grams of cream, and then you're going to put it in your mixer and start to whip. Yeah, and then you can use a hand mixer if you don't have a standing mixer as well. And then to that you're going to be adding 100 grams of icing sugar, and then you're going to keep whipping. You're going to add icing sugar while it whips. If you want to add it like not while it whips, make sure you sieve it, but this is the trick I use. So like, this is lazy man style. So while it whips, add the icing sugar, that way there won't be clumps in it. So once you've done that, then you want to add half a teaspoon of salt. And what that does to it is that it calms down the sugar. And then for this whipped cream I'm using, it already has a vanilla flavor, so I don't have to add any vanilla extra. So check if the whipped cream you're using has flavor, and otherwise you should add some. Okay, so you want to whip it and whip it and whip it. Normally for my stand mixer I whip it for around maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and it's whipped and it has great volume. And then if you're using a hand mixer, it's going to take a little bit longer, of course. Okay, so you should bear that in mind. Okay, so guys, I have a video on what you should do before whipping your cream, during and after, so you can have stabilized whipped cream without adding gelatin or any of that mess, because I don't add anything to my whipped cream and it comes out perfectly like this every time. So I'm going to put the link right up here. It says click on me here, click on that. You're going to have perfect whipped cream without like looking for how to stabilize it or anything. So all you have to do is just whip like for the next maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and you want to make sure you don't over whip so it doesn't become butter. And this is what you want. You want the whipped cream that is stable and doesn't slide up your spatula, and that's all you have to do. Make sure to check out, before you use this recipe, make sure to check out the video and like the steps you need to take before, during and after whipping. Thank you guys, and I will see you next time.